Instagram Threads. Meta latest social media app designed for real-time text-focused conversation. So let's learn how to use it properly. But first make sure to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use Instagram Threads. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First open the Google Play Store. Then tap the search icon at the bottom right and search for the Threads by Instagram. And tap install. It might take a few seconds for it to be downloaded. Now open the app and sign in using your Instagram credentials. Once logged in, you will see posts from accounts you follow on Instagram. Explore trending topics and hashtag to join broader conversation. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Here write your text update. You can write up to 500 characters. You can also add photos, videos or GIFs to make your post engaging. Hit the post to share with your audience. Follow new accounts to diversify your feed and grow your network. You can follow them by tapping on their profile and tap the follow option. Engage with the post with the 4 icons below the post. The first icon is for liking the post. Second is for commenting. Third one is for reposting the post. And the last one is for sharing the post. So this is how you can use Instagram Threads. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.